Do you think that Attorney General Garland will successfully be able to cull his agency in this type of practice? Or is, again, the problem something that may be just a little bit too endemic within these agencies that are, big and bureaucratic beyond the political appointees that come and go with every administration?
I think that one of the issues here is precisely that there are political appointees who can push the Justice Department in a particular direction. I do think that can create, of course, pressure to advance a political agenda. I think this is an opportunity now because, of course, the Garland Justice Department is at times pushed forward some of the practices from the Barr Justice Department. I think there's been outrage from people in both parties. So I think this is a time for us to take a look at the Justice Department, whether or not its powers can be abused, and what we can do going forward to ensure that we don't have politicization of the Justice Department. Because as somebody who's a Justice Department alum, that is not what we want. We want a Justice Department that we have confidence in. And I think it's important for Merrick Garland and others at the Justice Department to be very transparent and to answer questions about exactly what the Justice Department did during the Trump years and what it is doing now.
That makes a lot of sense. But so is what you're indicating right now that at present, the Department of Justice has in fact become politicized, which is, of course, something that we hear them deny right, left, and center all the time whenever the powers that be in the media sort of hurl that accusation their way, whether that's a Trump politicization or a Biden politicization or any of their predecessors.
I believe that former Attorney General Barr politicized the Justice Department. That's my take based on what I've seen publicly. I'm concerned about it. I think it needs to be investigated, and I think we're at a stage now where what is revealed is that this can happen. Right? This is something that can happen to our Justice Department. And if people, citizens, don't have confidence that the Justice Department is acting independent of political agenda, that's bad for our country. It's bad for the rule of law. Like, it's something that we should all be concerned about. And let's just fix this and make sure that we don't have that happen again.